Insuring a vehicle means paying monthly premiums, and these can eat into your disposable income. Affordable car insurance can be obtained, if you know how to secure the lowest premiums. There are many different types of cover, and many competing agencies offer plans. Comparing quotes is a good idea, as this will give you an idea of the average cost of complete cover. One way to ensure lower premiums is to develop good driving habits. The more accidents you have been involved in, the higher your monthly fees will become. Insurance agencies calculate drivers' risk profiles to determine their fees, thus you will want to keep your risk profile as low as possible. It may be useful to take a certified defensive driving course prior to applying for auto insurance. Whether possession of a driving course certificate nets you lower premiums or not, defensive driving skills make accidents less likely. There are many extras that can be added to most plans, but each addition will raise your premiums. For roadside assistance, for example, you might need to pay extra. Read through policies and individual benefits carefully so that you can decide which optional services you can do without. With a flexible plan, you can always add the extras you have not opted in for at a later date. If you live in an area where crime is high, your premiums are likely to be higher than if you lived in a safer area. There are steps you can take to counteract this effect, however. Installing an alarm system, for example, will reduce your risk profile. When opening a new plan, it is wise to discuss your options with consultants. When in doubt, inquire whether there are any discounts available and find out what actions you need to take, if any, to become eligible. It is likely that you will be given a better auto insurance quote if you insure your vehicle for a single driver. If a vehicle is driven by others who are under a certain age, the higher risk of accidents will translate into higher premiums. The excess is the agreed amount that a vehicle owner is expected to pay when claiming money for repairs. Premiums can be lowered substantially by choosing a higher voluntary excess. Should you choose a higher excess to lower your monthly fees, this does mean that repairs arising out of an accident will cost you more. Even so, in many instances it is possible to extract the excess from the auto insurance providers of the other party, if the other party caused the collision. Some companies take drivers' credit records into account when calculating premiums. A driver who has a poor credit record might be considered more reckless, and thus a higher liability. It is thus worth taking steps to improve your credit rating if you are planning to take out a new policy. Whether you desire financial protection against medical expenses arising out of road accidents or you want to insure your car against damage or theft, comparing quotes and taking necessary steps to reduce your risk profile will ensure manageable premiums. With years of experience and a good driving record, why pay more for car insurance quote when you have earned the right to pay less? Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.